On. It's Greg. Do you remember him from like 2 summers ago? He's like Mo's replacement while Mo's in school. So we better know how to canoe properly.
Ouch.
Dog. Okay, good afternoon. We're on Rain Lake. It's probably around 3:30, maybe 3:45. We got Greg in the front.
Hello.
We got Chach in the middle. And as always, I'm in the back. So there's the dock at Rain Lake. The parking lot, we're up there. And we're heading that way somewhere. So here we go. First try. I think I can do it on the first try too. Oh, I stepped on it.
You almost had it.
Maybe I need to be a little closer. Perfect. Even coming down where I need it. You get it? Handyman Greg is getting us some water so we wouldn't be thirsty. First time pumping water, it's okay. Here, I'll get the background in there for you too. Ooh, there we go, look at that. Not really much of a background. So we actually found a good dead tree. So we brought it back to this open area and we're gonna process it and hopefully have a great fire tonight. So Greg's just trimming her up. Keep going. Nice, pretty good piece. Nice and dry. Yeah. Okay, so there's our pile of wood just from those pieces that we just cut. We chopped them all up and we got this nice little pile here. So, and then over by the fire, you can see over there, we've got all that stuff that came off of it, all the branches, so we're gonna have to break all that up and use it as a starter and all that stuff. So we should have a good fire tonight. Okay, so since I climbed the tree, and I only really climbed it to about there, Greg decided he's gonna go higher. Look where he is, way up there. See him all the way up there? Like what? You have to come down, right? Oh my god. So anyways, I don't know if you can see. He's way up there.
That's good enough.
Okay. Now jump!
You can't.
Yeah. Do not climb to the top of white pines.
You sure it's a white pine?
I don't know how many needles are on it.
Okay. 5.
Okay, I'm pretty sure it's a white pine.
Okay.
Saturday morning, the sun is shining, there are no clouds in the sky, and this is our view. So this, technically, is the island on, that over there, that's the island on Rain Lake. Sort of see a tent over there on the point. They were trying to do some wolf owls last night. Didn't work. I'll bring you over here. You can sort of see the trees. Slightly changed, not too much though yet. There's Greg. Morning.
Good morning.
And we're making oatmeal. Classic oatmeal. Somebody has a nice little table here for us. Isn't that nice? And then we have all this food we have to eat today. So it's going to be a food day. Today's breakfast is brought to you by Quaker Oatmeal and Folgers Coffee, which actually tastes way better than the last time I made coffee out here. So Folgers it is, not Maxwell House. Okay, so we've stopped here on the side of the shoreline because we needed to get some wood this afternoon, and we found some dead stuff in here now.
Gonna make fire tonight.
Greg's chopping it down now. It might be a little bit bigger than we thought it was going to be, but it's that dead one right there. Some great, really good dry standing wood at the top there. Okay, progress report. There's 2 branches of the tree so far. I chopped those. And Greg is over there. Wave to the camera. And he's chopping some of them down. My job is to bring them to the boat. So you can see that he's got some more down there all ready to go. So quite a busy little lake today. Look at everybody coming down there. Got 3 there, 2 just passed. And here's the canoe. Whoops, zoomed up there. All filled up there, filled up there. So we're gonna go dump her off. Oh, the poor dog is resting in the sunshine. So there's our wood pile. Doesn't look very big after we get it processed, but it's pretty good for now.